Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to our computer class. The last class we learned about Microsoft Excel worksheets, cut, copy and paste. Do you remember that? What about cut, copy and paste? These three options are present in which menu? Edit menu. If we want to cut or remove a data in a cell to another location, we use cut option. Okay, first we cut the content, then go to new cell and we paste the content in the new cell. Then we learned about copy and paste. If we want to paste or if we want to see the same content in one cell in a new location, we use copy and paste option. This copy and paste option is also present in which menu? Edit menu. First we have to select the cell, then take a copy. For that we go to edit menu, then click copy option. Then we go to the new blank location. After selecting the new blank location, click edit, then click paste. At that time, that new content will appear in the new location. Clear? Today we are going to learn about new options, that is generating auto numbers in Excel sheet, also to save the file in Microsoft Excel. Okay, now we can see how we use these options in our Excel sheet. Okay. Children, look here. Today we are going to see how we can generate auto numbers. That means auto numbering means we have to generate serial numbers 1, 2, 3 for a list of data by automatically in this Excel sheet. Okay, look here so many datas are there in the Excel sheet. So suppose if we enter 100 data, 100 name of different students, and we want to insert serial numbers for that students, that is 1, 2, 3 etc. If I want to give roll numbers to them, at that time we use this auto generating options, auto number generation option. Okay, so the first step to create auto numbering, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. up to 100, we have to first enter two numbers in the two students. First I am giving number 1 to the first person. Okay, number 1 to the first person and number 2 to the second person. And if I want to add 3, 4 etc., first we have to add the two numbers 1, 2. Then after adding the numbers 1, 2, select the two numbers with our mouse. Select the two numbers with our mouse. Okay, after selecting the number, go to the edge of that cell. And that time we can see a plus symbol. At that time we can see a plus symbol. Then just drag the mouse. See here. Then just drag the mouse, and when it reaches the end of the data, then release your mouse button. See children, at that time here the number will be generated automatically, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. up to 13. Okay, 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 13. So in this way we can add numbers. We can add numbers to any limit. Okay, no limits are there. First we have to enter the two numbers, beginning two numbers. Then just select the first two cell. After selecting, go to the edge. Go to the edge. At that time a plus symbol appears. Then you drag with the mouse. If we go again, then the corresponding number will be generated. See here, now it become 39. We just add 1, 2, 3 number only. After selecting the 1, 2, 3, drag with the mouse and end up to where we want the number. So here the numbers are generated automatically. No need to enter the serial number 1, 2, 3 up to 100. Just enter first two numbers only. Then after selecting the two numbers, then drag with the mouse. At that time the numbers are generated here automatically. Clear? So in this way also we can generate even numbers also. So even numbers, we know first number is 2 and second number is 4. So you have to first enter the two numbers. Okay, then after selecting the two numbers, drag with the mouse, then select the two numbers, then go to the edge. At that time a dark plus symbol appears. See here, a dark plus symbol appears. Then you drag your mouse. See, then you drag your mouse. At that time here even numbers are generated, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that. Because we enter first 2 and 4. Then we select that 2 and 4 and generate auto numbering. At that time here what happened? Yes, even numbers series generated. Okay, even number series generated. If we enter 5, 10, so here the numbers are 5, 10, etc. Adding 5, is it? Adding 5. So if we want to generate a number series of 5, we have to first enter 5, then enter 10. After selecting the two numbers, go to the edge portion. Go to the edge portion. At that time a plus symbol appears. Then drag with the mouse. See here, 5, 10, 15, 20. In that way here numbers are appeared and up to 50 I generate. So 50 is the last number here. So in this way we can generate auto number series. Okay. So children, next is generating weekdays of month. Okay, weekdays of month also we can generate month names. Okay, month names. So now we can see how we can generate the week name, also the month name in a sequential order. First you have to enter Sunday, Monday. That is the first 2 days of our week. Is it? Then you have to select the 2 days. Okay, then we have to select the 2 days. Go to the end of the cell. At that time a plus symbol appears. Then you have to drag with your mouse. See here. Then the days will come in a sequential order. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that. We can create any days. We can create any sequential order of days. Okay, first we have to enter the 2 days of our weeks, that is Sunday, Monday. Then select the days. After selecting, go to the edge, then a plus symbol appears, then drag with the mouse. Then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, automatically the 7 days appear. After the 7 days again it generates. After Saturday, Sunday, Monday, again it will go in the sequential order. So we can insert the days in this way. Okay. So now we learned about how we can create auto numbers. Okay, auto numbers in Excel sheet. So it is very easy to create numbers. For that, first we have to enter first 2 digits. Then after selecting the 2 digits, just go to the edge of that cell. At that time a plus symbol appears. When the plus symbol appears, then you can drag, that means move the mouse. At that time the numbers will generate. Okay, also we can generate the days. First we have to enter Sunday, Monday. After selecting Sunday, Monday, then go to the edge portion, then a plus symbol appears, then drag with the mouse. Okay, at that time the days will appear automatically. Okay, in this way we can create the month name also automatically. Okay, month name also automatically we can generate. For that, first enter January, February. This is our first 2 months. It's it. First we have to enter January, February. It is the main step in the auto month creation. Okay, first we have to enter January, February. Entering January, February, we have to select the 2 months, then go to the edge of the cell. At that time a plus symbol appears, then drag with the mouse. Then January, February, March, in the order we can appear. Okay, so in this way we can create the month name also automatically. Look here, I just type January and February. After entering January and February, select the 2 cells and go to the edge portion and drag with the mouse. At that time the days will appear automatically. Okay. Next is saving a file. That means after creating our all work, we have to save this file for future use. Okay. If I enter 6th standard students details, their name, their roll number, their date of birth, etc. After creating the 6th standard students detail, I have to save my file for the future use. Okay. At that time we use save option. At that time we use save option. So this save option is present here. Okay, the save option is present in the file menu. Click on the file menu here. There we can see save option. Click on the save button. At that time a small window appears. Here we have to select the path. Okay, here we have to select the place. If you want to save it in desktop, select the desktop. Then after selecting, go to the file name portion. Here we have to give the file name. Okay, I am giving the file name as 6th standard. Okay, 6th standard. After giving the name, then click the save button in the small dialog box. There is a save button in this small dialog box. After giving the name in the file name area, then click save button. Now look here, the Excel sheet is saved is 6th standard. Okay, clear? So first we have to click file, then save or save as button, also the same thing appears. Okay, first time we have to click the file save as option. File, then click save as option. Then a small window appears. Here we can give the name. Then click save button. Okay, then click save button. Now the data is saved. Okay, then after saving one time, if I do some work again, here I am entering data. Okay, so after saving one time and I enter data again, if we want to save the new details again in the same sheet, we have to press file save. So the new content will be saved with the same file name 6th standard. Clear, children? If we create a new work and we want to save our file, first go to file menu. File menu is here. First go to file menu and click save as option. Then give the name here. Then click save button. At that time the file is saved. Okay, after selecting or saving some details, again I work in that Excel sheet. I am entering data. So this is the new data. If we want to save this new entered data again, we have to save the file. Okay, at that time we have to click file and then save option. So the new entered data also will be saved to the 6th standard Excel sheet. Okay. So once again I will show how we can save a file. Okay, how we can save a file. So this is a blank page. Okay, this is a blank page, and if we want to save this file, this is book 2 because here new Excel sheet. So book 2 is here. If we want to save the file, we have to click which option? In file option, we have to click save as. In save as, select the place, that is if we want to save it in desktop area or D drive etc. we have to select this location, and after selecting the location go to the file name area. Okay, and give a name here. I am giving a name details. That is the file name. After giving the file name, click save button. Okay, so here the book 1 changes to details. That means the file name is saved as details. So now here no work is done here. No data is here. Okay, now I enter a data. So after enter the data, I want to again save the file. At that time you have to click file then save button. Again do work. Again click file then save button. Clear? So first we have to click file save as option to save a file. At that time the file name is given and the book is saved as that file name. After giving the file name, then we work again in the Excel sheet, and if we want to save this file again, we have to click file then click save option only. No need to click save as option because the file name is given. If we again want to change the file name details to, if I want to give another name to this file name, then only we have to press file save as. Okay, file save as. Okay children, hope you understand today's topic, to save a file, generating auto numbers etc. Read the textbook. See you in the next class. Thank you.